In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. If you want to keep your work organized and make it easier to share supporting files inside a Loop page, this is a simple feature worth knowing. Attaching a document directly in Loop can help you centralize notes, project materials, and references in one place so your workspace stays clean and collaborative. To get started, open Microsoft Loop. Once you're on the main Loop home screen, you'll be ready to create a page where the document will be added. If you're already inside a workspace, that's fine too, but for this walkthrough, we're starting from the main Loop area. Next, click on Create New Page. This gives you a fresh space to work in, which is helpful if you want to test the feature or build a new page specifically for a project, meeting, or shared resource. A blank page will open and you can place your cursor anywhere in the page where you want the document attachment to appear. Now type // followed by the word file. In other words, type /file. This opens Loop's command menu and helps you quickly insert different types of content without having to search through lots of options manually. It's one of the fastest ways to add elements into a page, and it's especially useful once you get used to Loop's / commands. After typing /file, look for the file option in the menu that appears. Go ahead and select file. Once you choose it, Loop will begin the process of inserting a document into the page. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to choose a file from your available documents or connected storage. At this point, your file can be attached directly to the Loop page, making it available right where you need it. This is great for keeping related content together, especially when you're collaborating with others and want everyone to have quick access to the same document in context. A helpful tip here is to place your file attachment near the section of the page where it's most relevant. That makes the page easier to scan later, especially as your content grows. You can also create a clear page title before or after attaching the file so the purpose of the page is obvious at a glance. And that's it. That's how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast part of your workflow and a useful way to keep everything connected in one collaborative space.